Did you know? World Toilet Day. Officially launched by the United Nations in 2012, November 19th aims to help break taboos around toilets and make sanitation for all a global development priority. Every year, the United Nations sets a theme, and for 2021, the theme is Valuing Toilets. With 1.7 billion people, about 1/5 of the global population, who still live without access to safe sanitary toilets, and 494 million who practice open defecation regularly, this year's campaign draws attention to the fact that toilets are underfunded, poorly managed, or neglected in many parts of the world. As a maker of pioneering water and housing products, LIXIL knows that toilets can change lives. That is why in 2018, LIXIL and UNICEF created a bold partnership called Make a Splash, with the shared value to make safe and sanitary toilets accessible for everyone. The partnership combines LIXIL's and UNICEF's complementary strengths, promoting the creation of safe sanitation and healthier communities, while also building competitive sanitation markets. Make a Splash started activities in Kenya, Ethiopia and Tanzania, with programs that supported children and their families to end open defecation and provide safe, sustainable toilet solutions, such as Sato toilet systems that are designed to meet the unique needs of these communities. To date, the partnership activities have impacted 2.9 million people, transforming the lives of children and their families. And this year the partnership is expanding to India, Nigeria and Indonesia, some of the most populous countries in the world. As part of LIXIL's brand portfolio, GROHE raised more than 1.2 million euros for the Make a Splash partnership, with a dedicated sales campaign that took place in 13 countries across EMENA to help provide children with access to a toilet at home and in school. Visit the Make a Splash website to learn more about how LIXIL and UNICEF are tackling the global sanitation crisis together.